Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe and notification button. If you'd like to see how I got this look using the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory palette from Storybook Cosmetics, please keep watching, and I will give you my thoughts on how this performs and so forth at the end of the video. Alright guys, thanks for coming by. Please keep watching to see how I got this beautiful look. Thank you so much. Bye. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. We are going to do another palette bingo today, using my Charlie and the Chocolate Factory palette that I got from Storybook Cosmetics. This is the first palette I have ever bought from them. And my golden ticket's in here, by the way. It has 12 colors, and this is what it looks like. So we are going to dig into this like we did the Crayon palette, like we do any other palette bingo. But the first thing we have to do is pick our colors. It's exciting, I know. So, we're going to use our pretty random app, which I'm about fed up with, but I haven't found another one yet. Sorry. We're going to put in 1 through 12. Right now it says 49. We're going to shake it up, and it still says 49. We got number 11. 11. I was getting ready to mark it up with eyeliner. Number 11. The next number we get is, this is all going to be a surprise this time. I'm doing it a little bit different. Number 4. So normally I show you guys the colors as I go along. We're going to just show them all at once. Uh-oh. As per usual, I hit a button. Number 10. Shake that guy up. Number 9. Great. We got 9, 10, and 11. I can bet you they don't go together. One more, guys. One more shake. Come on. Number 7. Alright. So, what are we thinking? What are we thinking? Take my golden ticket out. It looks like this. I don't want to lose it. Alright. So we're going to do this like we normally do, because this is how the palette is oriented. 1 through 3, 4 through 6, 7 through 10, 7 through 9, 10 through 12. So we got number 4. Ooh. It's called Mike TV. We got number 7. Ooh. This is a fizzy lifting drink. And then we got 9, 10, and 11. So we got Everlasting Gobstopper, which is this coral color. We got Violet Beauregard, and Wonka Bar. So we're just going to go like in this direction. And yes. This is getting ready to be on. So I'm not going to prime my lids. I don't have anything on my lids because I don't want... Please excuse my dusty mirror. My daddy made this for me when I was a little girl. And when I realized I needed a mirror, I said, I got a mirror. I have to dust it though. Shoot. I'll be right back. Okay, my lovelies. Sorry about that. So, what we're going to do here is, I don't know, but I'm thinking I'm getting ready to take this beautiful mint TV and put it all over my lid. I have never worked with these shadows before, so, oh, maybe I won't put it all over. Oh my, they're very pigmented. Wow. Wow. I'm just going to go ahead and pull it out to the edge. I'm going to go over it with something, but because I don't have a base on the rest of my eye, we're going to use this as a base. And then I'm going to take a little blending brush and blend out the edges. Can you see me? I feel like I get like well, not halfway through, but I get a good ways in. I'm going to go into the Wonka bar, which is the brown. We're going to put the brown on the outside. I just don't want it to be so dark and overpowering. I look like a mint chocolate chip. I have something in my clone tube. And I'm really liking this, by the way. I know you guys are concerned about that. Sort of. I'm going to go into this everlasting gulp stopper. And I'm going to put that over top to blend out. We're going to have to go back in with that chocolate. It fades quickly. It's fading. My dogs are being so good compared to earlier today when I was filming. Okay. We're going to take the fizzy lifting drink. I'm just going to put a little tiny bit of that. Right here in the transition from the green to the brown. We're going to kind of do green to fizzy lifting drink to brown. I don't know why my phone is making noise, but it's not for the reason I need it, which is a call from the doctor. I'm getting some fallout. It's because I got so much on my brush. Okay. Now I'm gonna go into this brown, the blending brush, and I'm gonna pull that up. Oh, be quiet. It might just be the UPS guy. I like how my UPS guy, he comes to my house and he goes, if I'm here, I'll go, "Are you Linda Anthony?" "Well, yes, I am." Every time. I'm still her. She's still me. I don't think I've ever told you guys that my first name is Linda. Alright. Now we're going to go into this Violet Beauregard. And I'm going to run that on my bottom lash line. I don't know what I think this quite looks like, but it looks like something. It looks like I'm gonna put this gold, this fizzy lifting drink in my inner corner. It looks like the color. Oh, I know what it looks like. Ooh, Gina. It looks like the colors from the Physicians Formula bronzer, doesn't it? I haven't got it yet, but I think that that's the same colors. You see how excited I get about crazy shit? Gina! Like Rocky when he's yelling for his wife down the road. Adrian! It's a movie thing. Alright, you guys. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Pretty dang good. If the rest of their palettes are like this, pretty dang good. They're starting to sell them in Ulta now. It's interesting how Ulta is like grabbing these brands, and a lot of them are online only, but still, you can use your Ulta points for them. But they're grabbing these brands and they're just kind of looking at Sephora and every review going, I got this, thanks. Oh, yes. We're going to do something crazy. Crazy, you said? Crazy. A little bit of fallout. See how dirty my mirror is? It's disgusting. It's dusty, but it's grooved in there. It's got like a little pattern, so it's hard to get in there and clean it. Not that I'm not going to clean it. I'm going to get in there and clean it, but I just... Oh, my arm. I just grabbed it because I loved my daddy. I really did. still love my daddy, but I love him in heaven. Oh. What do you think of the purple lip? This is ABH Purple Rain Lip Gloss. Alright, you guys. So this is my look. What do you think? Huh? I like it. I like it a lot. So, thank you so much for watching. If you have any recommendations on palettes that I should do a palette bingo with, please put it in the comments below. I'm not going to say I have the palettes that you're going to recommend, but I probably have the palettes you're going to recommend. Yeah. So, I did order another palette today. One from Kylie Cosmetics, and I haven't ordered one from her in a long time, but this one looked just fabulous, but we'll see when it comes. And then, yeah. I think that's all I got to tell you for today. Alright, guys. Mwah. Love you so much.